Hi everyone, welcome to the Best Kitchen. Today I would like to share with you two perfect ways to boil eggs. One is in the old-fashioned way and one is in modern way by using pressure cooker. Now let's get started. First, let's start with the old-fashioned way. Add eggs into a deep pot. Try to use the right pot that fits eggs in one layer. Pour in water and make sure there is enough water to cover the eggs. Cook uncover on high heat until the water starts to boil. Right now it's been cooking for about 5 minutes. Let the water boil rapidly for 1 minute. Then turn the heat off. Cover and set timer for 4 minutes for a very soft yolk. I cook with an electric burner, so even when I turn off the heat, there's still heat. If you use gas burner, then don't turn it off completely, but turn it down to the lowest setting. After 4 minutes, I will remove 2 eggs into ice cold water. Again, cover and timer for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, remove these eggs into ice cold water. Let it cool for 20 to 30 minutes. It's super easy to peel. Gently crack the eggs and roll over until the shell is soft. These two cook cover for 4 minutes. It will have a soft, gooey yolk. You see how easy it is? These three cook cover for total 7 minutes. And now I will cut for you to see the inside. The egg white are cooked evenly and the yolks still soft and gooey. Sprinkle with some salt and black pepper and it will taste perfect. Let's see the 7 minutes eggs. The egg whites cooked perfect and the yolk is still soft. It looks beautiful and delicious. Next, I will use the pressure cooker. And I guarantee your eggs will be so good and so easy to peel. Add 1 cup of water into the pot. Add the steam basket. Then eggs. Cover. Make sure the vent is closed. Press menu and always cook eggs at low pressure. Set timer for 3 minutes. If you want soft, gooey yolk, then cook for 2 minutes. When you hear the beep beep sound, that means the cooking time is over. Now use a long chopstick to release the pressure. It's called quick release. Be careful, remove the lid. Transfer eggs to ice cold water. Let it cool for 20 to 30 minutes. When the eggs are completely cool, you can give this job to the children. My kids love to peel eggs. It's super easy to peel. It's beautiful. There is a quick, easy recipe for this kind of eggs. Combine all of the ingredients I had listed into a bowl. Mix everything well together until the sugar all dissolves. Pour over the eggs and cut eggs to small pieces with a spoon. Mix well, then serve this egg salad with steamed rice. It's quick, simple, affordable, and delicious. If you like hard-boiled eggs, then cook for 5 minutes. If you all cook more than 8 eggs, then increase the cooking time up by 1 to 2 minutes. Quick release pressure when cooking time is done. Transfer eggs into ice cold water like I did earlier. It's very easy to peel. I hope you enjoy this recipe and try out these cooking methods. I am sure you will love it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the Best Kitchen. I hope this easy step-by-step recipe will save you some time and you can have delicious eggs anytime if you like to eat eggs like me. Oops. All good. For quail eggs, you would cook exactly the same way like the chicken eggs. Here I have 36 quail eggs. Cooking time will be 3 minutes. If you have less, then cooking time will be 2 minutes. The rest of the steps will be the same. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.